Here's how you can pick a very good beauty blender. Number one, the beauty blender has to be soft. Like, look at this, it is really soft, very, very soft. So if your beauty blender is not soft, then know that that beauty blender is not going to be good. And it has to be able to absorb water and also give out the water. So like this one now, I already put it in water. This is it before I put it in water. This is it when dry, and this is after. So you can see the difference in the size. It has grown in size. So it has to be able to absorb water and push out water. That will make it easy for you to squeeze out water and not have any water residue. So look at this one. I squeeze it, nothing is coming out. And then when you're looking at the skin of the beauty blender, it has to have these tiny holes. If it doesn't have a tiny hole like this one, you can see if it doesn't have a tiny hole like this one, then it's not going to give a good finish. A good beauty blender should have tiny holes like skin. That way you can take in excess foundation and it can also work like the skin. If the body is too smooth, then it is not good. You have to look for the one that has tiny little holes like pores, just like our skin. So I hope these tips help you when you're picking out your next beauty blender. Also, a bonus, it's not compulsory, but it is, I really appreciate it when a beauty blender comes in a packaging like this. It helps to retain the shape of the beauty blender after usage. It does not have a container like this. You could put it somewhere and it will lose its shape. It will get squeezed by other things and it will be deformed. So a beauty blender that comes with a packaging just like this one from Mirac is very much appreciated. So that's it, guys. I hope these tips help you when you're picking out your next beauty blender. Bye.